everybody and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a tutorial combining two of my favorite palettes into one look. I'm going to be showing you how to create this really bright blue, electric, loud, fantastic, smash fabulous look right here. So I hope you guys end up enjoying this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in a bit with a blank face and a lot less makeup on. Today I want to work with a combination of two palettes. I'm combining the Colourpop Mar Palette. This is one that I love. I've done a review on it and several tutorials. And then I also have the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. This one is also one of my favorites. I have done many tutorials and many reviews, and well, not many reviews, many videos featuring this palette right here. I will link some in the cards and down below if you're interested, but I'm going to be combining these two palettes together to create today's makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I have a few ideas and let's see if they work out. So I have a base on my eyes already, and I'm just going to be taking this color right here from the Colourpop Mar Palette, and I'm just going to apply it just below my crease, and then we're going to blend it out later. I'm taking the Morphe M506 brush and I'm going to dip it into these two colors right here and just mix them together. And I'm just using them to help blend out the eyeshadow I already have on. I'm just going to use small motions to kind of blend those two shades together and make this look a little bit more seamless. I'm going in with this smaller brush again, and I'm dipping it into this blue shade. You can tell that I really love this color, and I'm just using it to kind of apply some of that blue right in my inner corner. I mean, we are going to be putting colors on top, but I kind of want to make this look very, very blue, so this is where we're going right now. I'm also taking this slightly bigger brush and using it to blend things out a bit more. Then I'm taking some glitter glue. I do this technique a lot, and it just basically involves me taking some glitter glue and tapping it onto my eyes. And then I like to apply some shadow on top later when this gets tacky. But this technique or this trick just really helps me make sure that the shadow that goes on top of the glitter glue is super opaque, super pigmented, and even more high impact than it already is. Then I'm taking my other finger, I'm dipping into this shade called Dahlia, and I'm going to be tapping it on top. I've left a little bit of a blank space on this part of my eye, and I'm just going to be dipping into this palette again. I'm going to be taking this color called Chi. It's kind of like a purpley bluish color, and I'm just going to be tapping this into my outer corner. I'm using my ring finger to sort of diffuse those two shades so they mesh together a little bit better. For the rest of my face, I'm using the Fenty foundation, and I'm mixing it in with a Wet n Wild Hello Halo liquid highlighter. I don't know why my brain just sort of blanked out right there, but I love mixing this combination together. It literally creates this most beautiful effect for the skin. And I mean, I look at myself a lot, so that sounds so weird, but I look at myself a lot and I can see when I mix these products together, or when I mix a liquid illuminator in general in my foundation, my skin looks so much better, and I love it. You know, it looks amazing on camera, it looks phenomenal in real life, and I'm obsessed. Then for my lower lash line, I'm going in with a little bit of this color right here, and I'm just going to dab it into my lower lash line. Then to blend things out a bit more, I'm going to dip into this blue shade and just smush it right in there. So I'm using my fingers again, and I'm going to mix two colors. I'm mixing this color called Zola with this color called Giza, and I actually used to do this a ton when I first got this palette. I haven't done it in a while, but this is going to go into my inner corner. And now what I want to do is I want to put on a little bit of mascara, and then we can do lashes. I decided to do some highlights on my cheeks. This is the Wet n Wild Hello Halo highlights. I just used it again on my cheeks. And right now I'm in the process of applying some bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Either my camera stopped or something happened, because I was talking and then I looked and it wasn't recording, and I was like, okay. So yeah, that happened. But let's just fix that with a little bit of bronzer. That makes no sense. Now for my lips, I'm using the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comment. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood. One of my favorite nudes. And then for my lips, I'm using a new lip gloss that I'm trying out. This is the Rimmel Stay Glossy lip gloss, and it's in the shade... Don't know what the shade is. This is irritating. Yeah, I don't know the shade. I will try and find it and link it down below for you, those of you that are interested, but for now this is like a pink gloss. And you know what, while we're at it, let's just do a little bit of body highlighting. I've been doing this occasionally on my channel, and I really like the effect of it on camera. This looks so weird. Okay, that looks so much better, honestly. Why have I not been doing this more often? That looks so much better. Okay then, so I think that's pretty much it for this video. That was my tutorial using both the Mar palette from Colourpop, which is this one right here, and the Masquerade palette, which is getting quite beat up. I love this thing so much, and I wanted to create like a really bright blue makeup look with these palettes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a little bit loud, but let's get real. This is my personality. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.